interface. The concept of MDI is it is a master form of a project. Till now, to run a specific form, we were just moving to project 1 properties and changing the startup object as to see the preview for a particular form. But this will be a tedious task for a user who is operating our software. For that purpose, we will create a master form and allow the feature to move between the forms. Means all these forms should be shown through one form. So we have to add a MDI form inside our project. Just right click, add. Till now we were just pressing on form. Below that, just see here MDI form, multiple document interface. Click on MDI form, press open. You will get a MDI form in front of you. Only one MDI form can be added inside one project. Now to move between forms, you can provide a facility with the help of command buttons also, as well as through menus creation. To add a command button on this MDI form, first just add a picture box control. See, automatically a toolbar is placed on MDI form. Now to add command buttons, click on a button and draw it under this toolbar. If you double click, you will not get the button on this toolbar. So just click and draw it. Fine. Suppose if you press on this button, automatically a school mark sheet should open. If you click here, image form should displayed, image program. Third button, if you take here, it should jump to picture or a drive directory form, means form 4, form 3, form 2 and form 1. Fine. So we will just change the caption of these buttons to school mark sheet. Okay. The next is to move to image form. And picture form. Fine. Just double click to write a code. So the number of school mark sheet is form 1. So we have to write form1 dot show, as we have already seen the method at the time of security screen creation. Move to object. Once again double click on image button. Image form number is form3 dot show. View. Picture form number is form4 dot show. Fine. As you insert the MDI form inside a project and you call the forms from MDI, so just set one property for all the child forms. Just move to school mark sheet form, right click on form 1 properties, move to one of the property known as MDI child. See here, by default it is false, just change it to true. So this form will be displayed under MDI, otherwise it will go outside from MDI form. Same way, move to image. The forms which have to display under MDI, just change MDI child property to true. Same way for picture form. So we have set the MDI child property now. Once again move to MDI form, double click on MDI form. Set the startup object to MDI form. Okay. Now run the form. See, from here you can easily move to any of the form. Suppose picture form. Yeah. See, we are on picture form. To move to image form. Right now we are on an image form. And to move to school mark sheet, see school mark sheet. So in this way we can jump to any other form with the help of show method, but MDI form we have created as a master form to these child forms. These forms can also be called through menus also. Hope first you have cleared the concept of MDI form. Now same we will provide this method with the help of menus. Menu creation is too simple inside VB. Without writing a single line code, you can create your own top menus, sub menus, these separator line shortcuts can be assigned without writing a code. See how to create your menus. Just move to tools, click on menu editor. The box in front of you is a menu editor box. Just set some of the buttons. See simple first caption, you are already familiar. Suppose show forms, we have to give a top menu name, assign a name as we were giving CMD exit and CMD exit and CMD login. In that way here we have to specify a menu name, suppose menu show. Fine. Press enter or press next to add a next menu text heading. Fine. Under this, suppose we will call from here H scroll bar form, menu H scroll, then bold italic form, menu bold. Press tab key to come from caption to name and press enter. Same way, suppose a window heading menu you want, menu window. Under that two options, tile, type tile, menu tile and cascade, so that we can provide a feature displaying more than one form at a time inside our project. Fine. See here, show forms and window are the top menus. So just leave it as it is. Move to H scroll bar. This is a sub menu for show forms. So just click on H scroll bar and press on this right arrow. See, you can notice here the 4 dots means this is a sub menu of show forms menu. Fine. Window is our top menu, means after show forms the second menu we want a window menu. So just leave it, move to tile and click right, cascade right. Okay. Suppose after creating the menu you require the position of cascade should be about tile, so just have this arrow. See, you can easily move the selected text to any position. To remove the sub menu, see, to create top menu once again, just use this arrow, the dots will remove. So these 4 arrows is generally used to set the top menu or a sub menu or an inside menu. Next we have seen to add a next values. To insert one of the option in between, suppose after bold italic you require a exit button, so just press insert a blank and type here exit, menu exit, and this menu we want a sub menu of show forms, just once again click here, fine. But after bold italic you require a separator bar, separator line, so once again insert here, just type dash and specify the name menu scp, suppose separator, fine. We have created 4 submenus for show forms and 2 submenus for window. Now to assign a shortcut means through keyboard, if you press F1 it should jump to H scroll bar. So see here a shortcut drop down box is there. So from here you can assign any of the function key or a shortcut key, that is Ctrl W, V, X and Z. Fine, F1. Suppose for exit you require Ctrl X, okay. So we have just seen the option caption, name, shortcuts and these 4 buttons. Next insert. If you don't require any of the sub menu in the list, just click delete, it will remove it. Fine, okay. See here 2 menus has been created. See, a simple menu creation program. Now if you press this it should jump to form 6, that is H scroll bar. Just click here, write a code form6.show. For bold italic the form number is form8, form8.show. For exit you already know the code, unload me. But for tile and cascade we have to write code mdi form1 dot arrange method use here. For cascade use the keyword vb cascade. See, vb cascade. Press space after arrange, no equal sign and then vb cascade. View object. For tile mdi form1 dot arrange vb tile. See here vb tile vertical. So in this way you can create your top menu, assign shortcuts and sub menus creation. See, we are calling the H scroll bar form and bold italic form from MDI form. So just we have to set a property of these 2 forms. First one is H scroll bar. Right click on form, move to properties, change the MDI child property to true. Fine. The next is bold italic. Here also we have to change it to true. Okay. Now just move to MDI form. See, to run the form just click on start. See here. Now school mark sheet, fine, image, H scroll bar. See here, from menus also you can call it. If you close this, to move to H scroll bar form with the help of keyboard just press F1. See, it is called with the help of a shortcut also. To arrange all the forms side by side, then click on tile. See the difference. Just click on cascade to display one below the other. So in this video we have completed our topic MDI form and how to create menus. Next we will cover the remaining 2 topics, dialog boxes and mouse events.